In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify trial. If you've been testing Shopify and decided it's not the right fit for you right now, it's important to properly cancel your trial so you don't have to worry about future charges. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. Open your browser and log into your Shopify account the same way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main admin dashboard. This is where you usually manage your products, orders, and store settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct store, especially if you have access to multiple Shopify stores under the same account. From the dashboard, we're going to head into your plan settings. Look for the settings option, usually at the bottom left of the admin menu. Click on settings, and then inside the settings area, find and click on plan. This section controls your current subscription, billing, and trial details. On the plan page, you'll see information about the trial you're currently on, as well as any options to upgrade, change, or manage your plan. Here, look for the option that says Cancel Plan. It may be near the bottom of the page or next to your current trial details. Go ahead and click on Cancel Plan. When you click Cancel, Shopify will usually show you a confirmation screen with several options. You might see choices like Pause and Build, Pause Store, or other ways to temporarily stop your store instead of fully canceling. These are useful if you just need a break, but if your goal is to completely stop the trial and avoid ongoing charges, you need to choose the full cancellation option. So on this screen, look carefully through the options and click on Cancel Plan again, not the pause options. Shopify may ask you to select a reason for canceling, such as costs, features, or timing. Pick the reason that best matches your situation, then continue. After you confirm, Shopify should display a final message letting you know that your plan has been canceled or that your store will be deactivated at the end of the trial. Before you close the page, double check that the status clearly indicates cancellation so you know everything went through. And that's it. You've successfully canceled